guys and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a skincare video. So I have these MCaffeine products with me and I'm going to do my skincare with all these products which are inside this box. This is not a sponsored video. These products were gifted to me by my friends on my birthday, so I was just excited to share a skincare video with you guys. Also, if you are new and you don't know me, hi, my name is Neha Pandey and I create fashion and makeup related content. So if you are interested, go subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you may get notified each and every time I post a new video. So with that intro, let's just start our video. So before starting, I just wanted to share some things. Very first of all, as I said, this is not a sponsored video, and second thing, this is not a first impression or a product review. First impression तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है क्योंकि I have used these products, और product review इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने इतनी बार भी यूज़ नहीं किए हैं ये products कि मैं आपको इसका एक full in depth product review दूँ. So video is just to show you guys how I do my skincare video. So yeah, with that thing, let's just start our video. So very first of all, I'll be showing you what all is in this box. So as you can see, this is a very huge box. It contains so 5 products, from face wash to eye cream and a serum. It comes with a manual over here. As you can see, this one, it comes with this manual where you can get to know about the MCaffeine products and everything. It's their coffee range, and I just really like the smell of these products. Very first step is to wash our face. So for that, I'm using the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. Now it is made from pure Arabica coffee, exotic white water lily and seaweed. It is not a really runny face wash. A little goes a long way. It smells really nicely of coffee, and this is how the consistency looks like. It's really thick face wash, not a very thin flowy consistency. So I'm just using this to wash my face really nicely. Really nice foamy face wash, and it smells of coffee when you wash your face. It also says that it is for normal to oily skin, as I belong from oily skin type, so I think this should work for me. I've quickly washed my face. As you can see that my face has become more bright and it is free from the dust and impurities. Also, it has made my skin a little bit soft, so I can say yeah, this works really nice. So yeah, okay, so after the face wash is done, we are going to scrub our face. So the face scrub which we are using is the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. It contains pure Arabica coffee, argan oil, hibiscus and vitamin E, which is really good for your face. It is also for normal to oily skin type, so the consistency is really thick, and it also contains minute scrub particles, so it will not be harsh on your skin. So that is a really good point, and it smells so good of coffee. Like if you are a coffee person, you should definitely check their entire range, and it is really good in clearing your blackheads and stuff. I am just going to concentrate more on my nose area and my chin area, because that's the part where I face that's the part where I have a lot of blackhead. So you need to just massage your face with the light hands. Preferably you can massage your face with the fingertips with really light pressure, so that it's not harmful on your skin. Scrub is off, and I can really see the difference on my nose, that I have huge blackheads on my nose and it's very rough, but now I can see that my nose is really soft and really nice. Also my forehead and my chin area also feels nice, so I'll give this scrub a thumbs up, that you can, if you are a person who is having a lot of blackheads, you can seriously use this scrub to just clean off your face and your blackheads. It's really made my skin super soft. I cannot even imagine that this scrub will do this wonders, but yeah, I just love this scrub. Okay, moving further to the third step. Now we have cleansed our face and we have scrubbed our face from the oil and impurities which are there. Let's just mask our skin, and for that we are using the MCaffeine Coffee Face Mask. It contains pure Arabica coffee and cocoa, which deep cleanses your skin and removes the excess of oil and impurities, giving you a healthy glow. It smells just like that chocolate pastry which you eat in the market, and it comes with a really small wooden spoon, so that it is nice to apply this mask. The consistency is really thick, like as you can see, as I can show you, the consistency is really thick. It is having a really thick consistency, so it's just perfect for how a mask should be. So I'll just quickly go and apply this all over my face. So I have applied a light layer of this mask on my face and it feels really cool. I let it sit on my face until it is completely dried, or for approximately around 10 to 15 minutes. Till then I'm still in my PJ, so I'll just go take a bath, wash this off, and I'll meet you guys super soon. So I have quickly taken a shower and have just removed my mask, so you can see how nice and bright and glowy my skin looks. It's nice and fresh. So moving further, we are just going to apply the face serum on our face. Now this is having coffee and white water lily, and it's suitable for all skin type. Also comes with a dropper, so it's very easy and convenient for you. I'll quickly show you the consistency of and how it looks. It smells really good, as all the products are like everything smells like pure coffee, and currently I am also smelling like pure coffee. So this is how the consistency looks like. It's not too thick, not too thin, and it's not that sticky on your face. It just quickly gets absorbed on your face. So I'm just going to quickly use a few pumps of this. Like, I'm taking actually 4-5 drops, exactly approximately 1 pump, just rubbing it nicely on my hands and just dabbing it on my face. It smells like coffee Kopiko, which used to come na, coffee and caramel. It just smells like that. I'm just nicely going to apply on all of my face and my neck, just a little bit on my neck. How my face is looking now. The serum has just absorbed into my skin, so it's really good for oily skin type, as I belong from an oily skin type. Moving on to the next step, the final step is the under eye cream. Now it is also containing coffee and white water lily, and it is suitable for all skin types. It comes in a beautiful pump packaging. It has a really creamy consistency. Let's just take it on my palm, and I'm just going to massage my under eyes nicely. Although I have taken a bit more product. Cream is nicely absorbed and my eye area is nicely moisturized. So I'll give you a quick close-up of how my skin looks. Like, this is my skin right now. I still have one active pimple. Actually, it was a bit more, but currently it is decreasing. And this is how my skin looks like up close and personal. I have some scars, I have some marks, but it's okay. It will take time to heal that, and you should just love the way your skin is. So that was all for my skincare routine. I hope you liked it. If you do not forget to press the like button and share it among your friends, and do let me know in the comment section below what all ideas you have and what all videos you want me to make. So with that, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay positive. Bye.